Hi everyone, my name is Nancy and today I'll be talking to you about the resource I will be using to teach media arts. So this resource is an iPad app called Our Story. With Our Story, the content descriptors relate to the foundation to Year 2 students, where they will be exploring ideas, characters and settings in the community through stories in images, sounds and text. They will use media technologies to capture and edit images, sounds and text for a purpose. They will be creating and presenting media artworks that communicate ideas and stories to an audience, and responding to media artworks and consider where and why people make media artworks. So the cross-curriculum for this would be students will draw on artworks from a range of cultures, times and locations. They will use arts of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples and of the Asia region and learn that they are used for different purposes. The integrated learning area for this is English, where students will create short, imaginative, informative and persuasive text using growing knowledge of text structures and language features of familiar and less familiar audiences, selecting print and multimodal elements appropriate to the audience and purpose. So in this unit of plan, students will start off with reading a book to gain ideas. This book could be a book relating to anything, whether it's personal or something they enjoy reading. They will then discuss concepts, elements of the book, such as the plot, characters, complications, resolutions and settings, etc. Next, they will brainstorm ideas for creating an exciting narrative. They will try to include a storyline where there are characters, pictures, and sound effects. Students will then construct a storyboard and draft a narrative. They will then use this app to create their own exciting narrative using story principles, effects, composition, sound, and technologies. So this app is used to allow students to create their own digital picture books, and reading them can be personalized, engaging and fun. Students will be able to increase their engagement levels as well as helping them develop and build their reading skills. Using this app, students can put in their pictures, drawings, noises, speech and text on iCards and use these to create a story or play games, which will then help them learn new words, sounds and letters. Students will then build their own personal stories, which can then be shared to their teachers and peers. This app is designed to provide lots of different possibilities to suit the students' needs and wants and ways they could use this app to effectively support their vocabulary and reading skills. This resource, students will be able to critically and creatively think about what makes a multimedia story engaging to the audience. Students will also provide feedback on other students' stories. This promotes active learning as students effectively make, share and communicate their ideas through the use of technology. Furthermore, students will be able to improve engagement levels and stimulate curiosity, beneficial for knowledge retention.